everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make these steamed mussels with sriracha, butter, and sake. Let's get started! Let's add the butter. And let's add the garlic. And let's add the tomatoes. Add the sriracha. Add the salt, pepper. Let's add the sake. The chicken broth. And the brown sugar. This looks good. And let's add the mussels. Cover this and simmer for 4 to 5 minutes until all the mussels are open. It's 5 minutes. Ooh la la. Now let's add some lemon zest. And the lemon juice. And let's add the parsley. We're ready to serve. Oh wow! Let's try our steamed mussels. This one, no need utensils, guys. Just use your bare hands and enjoy it. So big. Wow, the mussel is perfectly cooked. Oh wow, let's put some sauce, guys, and let's eat it. Perfect. The taste is very balanced. Spiciness, sweetness, garlicky, lemony. The best.